What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're gonna go Gala games starting to break out. We're seeing at 0.02825. We're up 18% in the last 24 hours. Seeing market cap of 796 million, 25 volume, 131 million. So if we hop into the charts, we broke this level. I said if we come up and we start to break 0.02844, that can be bullish confirmation and potentially you'll see a straight breakout. So right now for our micro count, you have wave 1 to the upside, wave 2. Right now you're putting in the wave 3, put in a wave 4, put in a wave 5, hold that pullback, boom, continuation to the upside. Couple scenarios. So if Bitcoin were to push up to 50K and get rejected, then I have an alternative scenario for this white wave count. Basically, this would be the wave 3 high. That would be the wave 4, even though that wave 4 pullback is quite deep. It never broke into the wave 1, so it's possible. And then push up in a wave 5 to complete this wave 1 in yellow. And then if Bitcoin were to get rejected, see a larger pullback, then you also see a larger pullback for Gala before continuation to the upside. And the alternative scenario is that this was a wave 1 high, that's a wave 2 pullback, and you push all the way up if Gala explodes to the upside in a wave 3 all the way up to 0.0613, which would be extremely juicy, and I would love to see it. If we pop over to our next chart, you can see this is our first Gala trade that I said I would leave ongoing. It's a spot trade. And as you can see, we bounced off that beautiful support 0.02276. So I'll continue to let this trade run, and hopefully we push up to that TP4 of 0.03996. And from our entry, that would be a juicy profit of almost 200%. And I said on this pullback, I'm likely to give another signal in the Discord, which you can receive free access to my trade signals at the end of the video. And that's exactly what I did. I gave another signal, and you can see we bounced directly off our entry. There's our entry, there's my stop loss, and here are my take profits. So even if we were to have that alternative wave count play out where we push up in a wave 5 and that completes the wave 1, we see a larger pullback. We're not going to break my stop loss in the wave 2, so I'll continue to let the trade run. And if we see the straight breakout in the large wave 3, then we shoot up straight up to my take profits. And you know, I start to lock in gains. I've already locked in up to TP3 on our previous trade. And I'll lock in some more gains if we come up to these take profits, which are our next resistance zones. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala games. Let me quickly pop open the money flow because I know it was in the floor in our last video, pretty sure. We'll pop open the money flow on the daily. Why do I always have lag when I'm screen recording? Yeah, see how in the floor we are, and now we're starting to see that bounce, which I thought was probable. So it would be good to get back above those daily EMAs, hold them as support, and hopefully see that continuation to the upside for Gala games. So we broke that confirmation, so I do think pushing up and not creating a lower low is more likely, but of course anything can happen. The 4-hour bear bullish divergence is playing out. So hopefully we can continue to push up. Now we may put in the all 5 and see a larger pullback. That's why I like to swing trade. I'll be perfectly fine either way. But if we do explode to the upside in our wave 3, the target is 0.06139. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, we're currently in trades for XRP, Gala Games, and VeChain. All you have to do is sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. Grab those bonuses. You can also receive $100 for every 1 million in trading volume till the end of the month. And then just make your first deposit, send me an email, give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, forex signals, forex analysis. We have over 2,600 members in the Discord, and my VIP rooms are $10 a month if you want to sign up to the Patreon, but you can get that completely free access with the sign up and deposit to BTCC. Just send me an email. I'll give you access to my VIP rooms. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.